took a little detour on my way home from work the other day to take a few still shots of some of the power in White River Junction, Vermont. Then I noticed a step box out for Amtrak, so I figured I'd start shooting some video. And this was definitely rewarded because the crew for New England Central Train 601 was just going on duty. It didn't take very long, and it was Amtrak time, although it was a good 15 to 20 minutes late. But it was led by Amtrak number 100, 50th Anniversary Unit. While the northbound Amtrak Vermonter was doing its station stop, New England Central Train 601 was getting their train ready in the yard. And they were about to do a brake test. That horn is something else, isn't it? Now, New England Central Train 601 is the evening switcher from White River Junction, Vermont. It'll either go north as far as Randolph, Vermont, or south as far as North Walpole, New Hampshire. In this case, they're going south. This train is heading eventually for North Walpole, New Hampshire, making stops at every customer along the way. Well, while they're doing their brake test, I figure it was time to head on down the road and get ready to catch them at the next spot, which just happened to be North Heartland, Vermont. Yep, signal's red. Off to the next stop, Windsor. Now, by the time the train got to its first customer to switch, the sun had already set, so it was getting pretty dark, but I figured I'd get a little more video. And as the crew started to switch the siding at Grissom Lane in Claremont, New Hampshire, I decided the lighting situation wasn't going to get any better, so I decided I'd cut it off. I'll catch the train again, maybe in the daylight next time. I want to thank you for watching today's video, something a little different. If you did like this video, hit that like button, share, subscribe, and have yourself a great day.